Hello everyone! So today, ito na po yung pinakahihintay nating part 2 ng how to sponsor your parents and grandparents. Isi-share ko po sa inyo ang step-by-step na pag-apply and this is based on our experience nung kinuha namin si nanay. Plus, magbibigay po ako ng tips kung paano mapabilis ang application nyo. Kaya, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell for more upcoming videos like this. How to apply? May 6 steps po sa pag-apply to sponsor your parents and grandparents here in Canada. Step 1. Ang first step po ay mag-fill out ng interest to sponsor form. Ito po yung form was available between October 13, 2020 to November 3, 2020 which is tapos na po. But next year mag-a-announce ang CIC kung kailan ang exact date through Facebook or on their website like cic.gc.ca po. Then, step 2, CIC will randomly select and will invite yung mga potential sponsors to apply to sponsor their parents and grandparents. Mag-i-email sa inyo ang CIC kung napili kayo or hindi. Pag napili po kayo, makaka-receive po kayo ng letter of invitation. If maka-receive po kayo ng email of invitation to sponsor your parents and grandparents, then congratulations! Dahil pwede nyo na po simulan application ng parents and grandparents nyo to migrate here in Canada. So, mag-start po tayo mag-fill up ng mga application na kailangan nyo pong fill upan kagaya ng you need to apply as a sponsor and your parents or grandparents must apply for permanent residence and all the required documents that needed. Then, kailangan nyo po isend yung sponsorship and permanent residence application ng sabay. Kailangan ma-receive ng CIC ang application package nyo 60 days from the date of your invitation. Yung deadline po ay nakalagay din sa sinend sa inyong invitation letter ng CIC. Step 3, get the application package. Make it sure na marireceive nyo po yung email ng CIC na invitation to apply bago kayo mag-start mag-fill out ng application para po updated ang form and the instruction guide na makukuha nyo. Every year po kasi nag-a-update ang CIC ng forms and instruction guide. The application package includes the instruction guide. Ito ang importante. Ang instruction guide po ay malaking tulong dahil nandito po lahat ng information on how to fill out the forms properly. Document checklist. Document checklist for you as a sponsor and sa sponsoran mo. And application to sponsor, sponsorship agreement and undertaking. Itong form na ito need po fill upan sa computer kasi need i-validate para lumabas po ang barcode kasi importante po yung barcode. And financial evaluation for parents and grandparents sponsorship. Ito po yung total income mo at kung may cosign ka po, total income nyo pong dalawa. And syempre, yung employment history for consecutive years. Then, income sources for the sponsorship of parents and grandparents. Ito naman ay income tax information from CRA, yung notice of assessment po for 3 years, yung dalawa. Yang ikaw at saka yung cosign mo. Schedule A background declaration. Need po lahat mag-fill up ang mga anak ng nanay mo or kung sino mang aplikante na kukunin mo kahit na hindi sila nakatira sa inyo. Kahit hindi sila dependent or kasama sa application, need po nila mag-fill up ng application form na ito. Itong form need fill upan sa computer to validate and signed. Pag validate po, print out and then signed. Ganun po. Statutory Declaration of Common Law Union. So, yung form na to, kung ikaw na sponsor at ang applicants ay may common law partner, need nyo po mag-fill up nito at kailangan nyo po ito ipanotarize. Generic Application Form for Canada. Itong form po ay para sa applicant which is yung mga inisponsoran mo like parents and grandparents tsaka yung dependents. Ganun po. Additional dependents. Ito naman po ay kung may dependent ang applicant. And next is additional family information. Itong form ay need fill upan ng sponsor so sponsoran mo which is the parents and grandparents. Use of representatives. Ito po yung form kung gusto niyo na po kayo ang mag-prepare or tulungan mag-prepare ng application yung parents and grandparents nyo. And kayo po ang makikipag-communicate with CIC on their behalf. And kayo po ang mag-check ng application status nila. Gagawa po ako ng step-by-step video on how to fill up all the forms, yung mga lahat ng forms po na to, para makita nyo po kung paano po fill upan, ganun po. Make it sure po na all the information on your application is true. Importante po yun. Mas matatagalan po kasi ang pagpaprocess or baka ma-decline pa yung application nyo kung makitang discrepancy ang CIC sa application nyo. And then, make it sure your application is complete. Double check or triple check nyo pa bago nyo isubmit ang application nyo, and make it sure na walang iiwang blank. Pag not applicable po, lagyan nyo pa rin ng not applicable or NA po. If you live in Quebec, find out the steps to take the sponsor for your parents and grandparents in Quebec. Attach ko po yung link na to sa description kasi medyo iba po kasi ng konti yung steps sa pag-a-apply sa kanila. And step 4, paying for your application fees. In most cases, your fees will include sponsor your parent or grandparent, sponsorship fee $75, Canadian dollars, principal applicant processing fee is $475 Canadian dollars, and right of permanent residence fee is $500 Canadian dollars, total of 1,050 Canadian dollars. Magbabago pa po itong amount na to if depende po yon kung ilan po ang taong kailangan kasama doon sa applicant. Include a dependent child of your parent or grandparent. Ito pa po, 150 per child po. The biometrics fee naman, 85 Canadian dollars per person, but this amount will change anytime. But for now po, nag-search po kami is only 85 Canadian dollars yung amount. In most cases, you must pay a biometrics fee when you submit your application. Kung hindi, you may experience delays. And biometrics fee ay kinakover ang cost ng fingerprints and digital photo nyo. FYI po, CIC can't refund the sponsorship application processing fee. Yun po. Wala pong refund. The third party fees, depending on your situation, you may need to pay third parties for your medical exam and the police certificate. Yun po yun. So, make it sure na i-check nyo yung instruction guide para malaman nyo which fees applies to you. Okay, step number 5, submit your application. So, again, CIC must receive your complete application within 60 days. Ang deadline po ay nakalagay sa inyong invitation. Ang instruction po kung paano nyo isubmit ang applications nyo ay nasa application guide rin po. I recommend po na isend nyo through courier service ang inyong application, that way matatrack nyo ang application nyo. Which is yun ang ginawa namin. Pero you can also use regular mail po. Normally, processing time is 20 to 24 months, but because of COVID, baka maiba po yun. Okay, CIC will return your application to you if may kulang. Meron kang di nabayaran na fees. If you weren't invited to submit a complete application. So, importante po na ma-receive kayong invitation bago kayo mag-submit dahil masasayang lang yung binayaran yung processing fee dahil di po yun ma-refund. Number 4, CIC didn't receive your application within the deadline specified in your invitation. Kaya importante po na as soon as possible, masubmit nyo agad yung application nyo para maiwasan ang delay ng application nyo. Step 6. During the processing po, ang CIC ay magre-request sa mga ini-sponsor nyo na isubmit ang kanilang mga sumusunod. Una, biometrics. Ito po yung fingerprints at photos ng mga ini-sponsor nyo. CIC will send your family members later asking them to give their biometrics through email or sa mailing address na pre-provide nila sa application. Kailangan nila ipakita itong letter na to when they give their biometrics. Meron silang 30 days to give their biometrics in person sa closest collection point. Attach ko po yung link ng mga collection points na pwedeng puntahan sa description below. Agay ng medical exams, police certificates. Ito po yung tinatawag na NBI clearance natin sa Pilipinas. Kailangan po ng mga ini-sponsor nyo na 18 years old or older depending sa processing time. CIC might request again for a new one in case po matagalan ang pag-process at ma-expire na yung police certificate nyo. CIC will send instruction and let your family members know how much time sila meron para isubmit ang kanilang mga certificate. Kailangan nyo pong i-inform ang CIC about any changes sa application nyo tulad ng birth or adoption of children. Kung during processing time ay may nanganak or may inadopt ang mga ini-sponsor nyo. Marriage or divorce. Kung during processing time ba ay may naghiwalay or sa mga ini-sponsor nyo. Death of an applicant or dependent. So, pwede nyo po i-check yung progress ng application nyo as a sponsor through online, but kailangan nyo po muna ma-receive ang letter from CIC with your application number. Ma-receive nyo po itong letter through email after CIC start processing your application. Sa mga ini-sponsor nyo po naman, there's 2 ways na kailangan nila gawin para ma-check ang progress ng application nila. Kailangan po nila gumawa ng online account with CIC, and then kailangan po nila i-link yung application nila with this. Kailangan din po nila hintayin yung letter na galing sa CIC na application number nila bago nila ito magawa. Attach ko po rin yung link ng mga ito sa description below mamaya. So again po, number 1, double check all the documents before you send it. Number 2, make a copy for yourself. And number 3, make it sure you double check all the document checklist that everything is there. And number 4, don't leave any blank or put in A if not applicable. Number 5, make it sure all the pages that need to be signed are signed. And number 6, in some cases na hindi kayo makapag-provide ng kailangang documents, make an affidavit, explain why you can't provide the document that they're asking, and notarize it. So hanggang dito na lang po ang video na ito. If may question po kayo regarding about this video, about this topic, please comment down below and I will try my best na sagutin lahat po. Sana po makatulong ang video na ito sa inyo. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone. See you in my next video. Bye-bye!